Hello and welcome back for today's Financial News Digest, presented by CentFX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Meta traded at $643.22 on Wednesday, rising 0.7% from the previous session, as steady demand for large-cap tech stocks supported sentiment. Spain's main stock index rose 1.4% on Thursday, supported by gains in financial and industrial stocks amid improved risk appetite in Europe. U.S. natural gas futures fell to around $3 this Thursday, the lowest since October 17, pressured by near-record production and milder weather forecasts that eased supply concerns. The British pound traded below $1.36 on Thursday, as investors assessed fresh inflation data and its implications for the Bank of England's policy outlook. Ether rose to around $1,970 on Thursday, supported by renewed buying interest in major cryptocurrencies amid improving risk sentiment. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for pending home sales in January, following -9.3% in December. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate in January, following 2.1% in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release the core price index for December, following 0.2% in November. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for personal income in December, following 0.3% in November.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.